Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the part 1 of the topic real numbers. So here, if HCF of 144 and 180 is expressed in the form 13m minus 3, then m is, we have to find the value of m. So here we have to take the HCF of first 144 and 180. So here 144, you know that this we'll take with the help of the prime factorization. So 272s are 236, 218s are 29s are 33s are and 31s are. So whatever we get, these are the factors. So same thing is written over here. Same for 180, you will take the factors. These are the factors. The same thing is written over here. So now you know the HCF means we take only the common ones. Like this will be 2 and this 3 and this 3. So 2, 2, 3, 3. 2 multiplied by this one. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. So the HCF of 144 and 180, that is 36. So now they said that is expressed in the form 13m minus 3. So we want the value of m. So what we can do, we got the HCF as 36. So 13m minus 3 is 36. So this is going to be plus 3. So 13m is 39. So m is 39 divided by 13, that is m is 3. So now let us see the next one is HCF, that is the A and B, that is 45, and A multiplied by B, that is 30375. Then we have to find the LCM of A and B. So now look here, this is the LCM into HCF is A into B. So we don't know this LCM. The HCF is given, that is 45, and A and B, A multiplied by B, that is 30375. So what will you do? This LCM will be, this is multiplication, so when it goes to the other side, it is going to get divided. And when we divide this one, you can check, that will be 675. So now here 3 bells ring at intervals 48, 60 and 72 minutes. If they start ringing together, after how much time will they next ring together? So first thing what we are going to do, we are going to take the LCM of this one, that is 48, 60 and 72. We can also take the LCM by this way, taking all the 3 numbers together. So 2 24s are, 2 30s are, 2 36 are, 2 12s are, 2 15s are, and this will be 2 18s are. So now here we will see for 2 first, and then whatever remains here is 15. So here only 2 3s are and 15 and 9 as it is. So now this doesn't go with 2, but that goes with 3. Then again we will see for 3 first. This keep as it is. And then for 5, this as it is. So these are the factors. So what will be that? So when you multiply all this together, you get 720 minutes. So we can say therefore the 3 bells will ring at after 720 minutes. So Rahul has 40 centimeter long red and 84 centimeter long blue ribbon. He cuts each ribbon into pieces such that all pieces are of equal length. What is the length of each piece? So whenever this is the equal length, what will you take here? 40 centimeter long and 84 centimeter long. So we'll take the HCF of this one, 40 and 84. So with the help of prime factor, we'll take. So these are the factors. So HCF means the common ones. So that is only 2 into 2, that is 4. So therefore length of each piece is 4 centimeter. If the LCM of A and 18 is 36 and the HCF of A and 18 is 2. So A equals 2. So now LCM of A and this B into HCF of AB is equal to A into B. So now this is given as AB. So we can consider this as B. This is A. So that is given as 36. So we'll write here 36. And HCF of A and 18. This we can consider this B. That is 2. So here we don't know what is A. But then now we have considered this both are the same. So this will be B. So in place of B, you are going to write 18. So be careful here. So in place of B, you are going to write 18. So now here, this will change the place. So it will go in the denominator that's going to get divided. And this A as it is. 18 ones are 18 twos are. So this is going to be 4. So A is 4. There are two batches of students in a college. The first batch has 135 students, whereas the second batch has 225 students. These students have to be seated in an auditorium in such a way that each row has the same number of students of each batch. The maximum, here they said the maximum number of seats in each row should be. So whenever this maximum means, you will take the HCF of this number. That is what is that? 135 and 225. So first thing, we'll take the prime factors. So these are the factors of 135. This for 225. HCF means we will take common. So that is, this will be 45. So maximum number of seats in each row is 45. So if two positive numbers A and B are written as A is x cube y square and B is xy cube, where x and y are prime numbers, then the HCF AB is. So HCF of A and B, that is A is given as and B is given as xy cube. So what we can do, we can just x cube, I wrote it separately, and this y and y. This again, this is only just x and this is y cube. So it becomes easy to take the common ones. This x is here, y and y. So that is xy square. So that is the HCF of AB. Find the sum of exponents of prime numbers, that is the prime factors in the prime factorization of 21600. So you will take the prime factors. First, you have always the prime factors. Whenever you have to start with 2, if not with 3. You cannot directly jump over to the higher number. So you have to keep on doing till you get that is a multiple of 2. Then this is not possible with 2, so you will go for 3. So now this is not possible with 3, so you will go for 325s are, that will be 5, and this will be. So these are the factors. So now what we can see here, same thing you will write here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write here because 2 raised to 5, 3 raised to 3, and 5 raised to 2. Why did you write in this way? Because they said find the sum of exponents in the form of exponents here. So now sum of exponents means here this is the base of it. So you have to add this one, the exponent part, not the base. So you will add the exponent at 5 plus 3 plus 2. That is 10. So this step is important. So find the two numbers which on multiplication with root of 30 gives a rational number. Are these numbers rational or irrational? So now you will take root of 30. First you will take the factors of root of 360. Then you will take the factors of 360. So these are the factors. So that we are going to keep in the root. So now what we can see here, we will write here, we will make groups here. This is repeated, this is repeated. That means that goes out of the square root sign, that we are going to write it only once. So this 2 into 3 is here. And now what remains in the root? That is 2 into 5. So this is going to be 6 root of 10. So now what will you do here, because we want are these the numbers we want to find, the two numbers we want. So now what are we going to do? We are going to multiply 6 root 10 with root 10 and 1. So 6 root 10 into root 10 into 1. So what will happen here? 6 will be as it is, and here root 10 into root 10 is going to be root 100, and this one as it is. So now 6 into root of 100, that is 10, and this one, so this is going to be 60. So the which is a this is a 60 is a rational number. So and therefore 1 also should be a rational number, and root 10 is an irrational number. That is what they asked. Find the two numbers, and they are these numbers rational or irrational. So now here a merchant has 120 liters and 180 liters of two kinds of oil. He wants to sell oil by filling the two kinds of oil in tins of equal volumes. And what is the greatest volume of such a tin? So now see here they have asked for the greatest volume. So to find the greatest volume word, we divide. We have to find always wherever the maximum, the greatest word is used, we have to find the SCF of it. So here this is 120 liters and 180 liters. So we'll take the SCF of 120 and 80. So now see, I have just done like this. You can take with the help of the prime factorization. 260s are, 230s are, 215s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. So these are the factors. So I've done it directly. You can do it separately. So these are the factors of it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24, 5s are 120. And same you can do this one for 180 also. You can take the prime factors. So you get these factors. So now we'll take the SCF, means we take the common ones. So what is that? 2, 2, 3, 5 that we are going to multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 5s are 60. So SCF is 60. So now same thing here, what we can write here. Therefore, greatest volume of each tin is 60 liters. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.